Hello, welcome back for lesson number 65. I put a title called forehead. Today we will cut the forehead area at the finishing operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have mirrored the final operation on the left side to the right side. Today we continue with using a duplicate method. Select, we need to change the tool for finishing tool. Select flat end mill final. Right mouse click, we need to edit the parameters. Change the bottom thickness to 0. Set the color to calculate. Looks good, let us verify. Set the frame to G54. Drag the tool and you can see Z minus 15. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us continue with solid verify. Looks good after we set the visual. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation. Right mouse click. Duplicate. Select the tool. Child mm flat end mill final. Right mouse click. Edit. Change to 0. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. Drag the tool. Z minus 15. Correct. OK. OK again. Right mouse click. Solid verify. Set the speed. Replay. Looks good. Let us do a analysis visual. Tilt the part. Zoom in. The depth is to size. We need to cut the profile in a later time. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the final operation at the next lesson. Bye bye.